Looking for the absolute best tech gadgets of 2025? Get ready to explore the must-have electronics that are truly revolutionizing how we live, work, and play. We've scoured the market for the top innovations, and these 5 incredible products stand out. Find links in the description to grab these game-changing devices early. Starting our countdown. Number 1. The Apple Vision Pro is here to redefine spatial computing, offering an immersive mixed reality experience that's simply mind-blowing for productivity and entertainment alike. Next up, number 2. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra continues to dominate the smartphone world, boasting unparalleled camera capabilities and processing power that puts other flagship phones to shame. For audiophiles, number 3. The Sony WH-1000XM6 headphones deliver unrivaled noise cancellation and pristine audio quality, making them the ultimate companion for any commute or focus session. Drone enthusiasts will be thrilled with number 4. The DJI Mini 5 Pro, a compact powerhouse that combines stunning aerial photography with advanced safety features, perfect for capturing breathtaking moments. Finally, number 5. The Meta Quest 4 pushes the boundaries of standalone VR, offering incredible graphics and haptic feedback that truly transports you to new digital worlds. These aren't just gadgets, they're essential upgrades for anyone serious about the future of technology. Don't miss out on these jaw-dropping innovations shaping 2025.